Hello guys, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a folding knife.
Oh, please like and subscribe and comment down your favorite sniper.
So first of all, go to this clan button right here. And then you'll just need to go to the store, scroll down, and you'll see the folding knife. And then you can buy it if you have enough clan points. Alright. Now to equip it, first go to melee, base melee, go to the gunsmith, select blueprints, and you'll see the folding knives in there. And here's my gameplay with the knife. Now enjoy. Also, special shout out for my two friends right here, Psych and PJ.